Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be doing an alternator down there on this 2015 GMC Canyon. And first thing you do here is you get a T30 Torx and take off the screws holding this on. Then you remove this vacuum hose, just press that button and slide it off and move it out of the way. Then you remove the oil cap. And then that should slide right off. Don't forget to put that oil cap back on. Don't forget to take off the air breather hose with an 8mm socket. And there's also another 8mm hose clamp. If you can see it, way back there. You gotta take it off before this top panel. Now we got that off, and I forgot the first step. Disconnect your negative battery terminal before you start working on anything. The next thing we'll do is take this canister off. So what we're going to do is disconnect this plug here. So press that button, slide the plug out, and then we'll disconnect this vacuum hose. So just grab this green clips on bottom and the top here. It doesn't come all the way off. It just slides partially out. As you see, it just slides partially off, and then it just pops right off. Now with a 10mm and an 18mm, we'll remove this canister. It's always wise to take a picture of the belt orientation before taking it off. Now the belt tensioner is a 1/2" drive, so just use a 1/2" ratchet and pull it to the side. And then pull your belt off the alternator. 3 bolts on that alternator, 2 of them under here, 15, and that's a 15 there on the top. Access those 2 bottom ones that go in that direction with a 15mm wrench. I'm sorry, this is the top bolt, not that one. Next step is removing this electrical plug. Just push this button, slowly pull it out, and then this 13mm nut on that cable right there. Always do a parts comparison. These 2 parts match. And now we'll just reverse the process. Put this back on that nut and then plug the plug back in and put the mounting bolts back on. Now that we got these 3 15mm bolts in, then now pull your tension pulley with your ratchet and wrap your belt back around the pulleys. Make sure they're lined up on the pulleys evenly, and then release the tensioner. Make sure your belt is around your pulleys thoroughly. Next step, reinstalling the vacuum canister. Once that's installed, now we will get our plug and plug that back in. Plug our vacuum hose back on. And snap the green clip back in place. then that part is done. You have to take the oil cap back off on the other side to get that down. And then you gotta make sure you get this other hose right there. And you loosen the 8mm on back over the throttle body. Once we get all that together, don't forget your vacuum hose back here. Put it in the final thing to do here is put the negative cable back on, 10mm. Once you get your hose clamps tight, this one and the one on the throttle body under there, put your T30 bolt back here on the front, and then that'll do it. I appreciate all you watching, and if you would, hit the like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.